like to shamu.
That freak's not your friend, I can tell.